Hey, welcome back to my channel Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So in this video, we are going to talk about what is a structural drawing and how is it useful for building construction. As you might know, structural drawing is essential part of the building construction and it plays a crucial role in ensuring that the building is safe, stable and durable. So let's dive in. So first question is, what is the structural drawing? A structural drawing is a technical drawing that illustrates the details of the structural components of a building, such as columns, beams, walls, slabs, and foundation. It shows the dimension, spacing, and the placement of each component in relation to the overall structure. A structural drawing provides a detailed plan for the builders, engineers, and the architects, which helps them in constructing a stable and a secure building. Now, the second question is, how is a structural drawing useful for building construction? So, a structural drawing plays a critical role in ensuring that a building is safe, stable, and durable. It provides the builders with precise information on the placement of the size of structural elements, which ensures that the building can withstand the weight and pressure that it will encounter. The accuracy of the structural drawing also helps in avoiding mistakes during construction, which can be costly and time consuming to fix. A structural drawing also helps in identifying and resolving any design or construction related issues before the actual construction begins. By having a detailed plan of the structural elements, engineers and the architects can identify any potential weaknesses or design flaws and make the necessary changes to ensure the building's stability and durability. Okay, so in conclusion, the structural drawing is a vital building construction and it plays a crucial role in ensuring that the building is safe, stable, and durable. In the upcoming mini series on how to prepare the structural drawing, we will dive deeper into the details of preparing the structural drawing and the tools and techniques required for it. I hope this video was informative and now you understand the importance of a structural drawing in building construction. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Civil Raja for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.